So here we have a two-step equation to solve. So we want to solve this for x. And eventually, our answer is going to look something like this. X equals, and then some number. So we want to have the x all by itself on the left. So to do that, we start getting rid of things that are crowding it out. We start on this side as far away as possible. We have negative 3 plus 6x. Eventually, we're going to have to get rid of the 6 and the negative 3. But we start with the negative 3. And the opposite of subtracting 3 is adding 3. So if we add 3 to this side, that'll get rid of that. Because negative 3 plus 3 is just 0. That makes it go away. But the only rule of algebra, of course, is what we do to one side of an equation, we have to do to the other side of an equation. Just like that. And that would give us our next line. Well, negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So the only thing left over here is 6x equals, well, 57 plus 3 is 60. So there we are. Now, we have to get rid of the 6. And the 6 is being multiplied by the x. So if we want x by itself, right now it's being multiplied by 6. The opposite of being multiplied by 6 is dividing by 6. And what I do to one side of an equation, I have to do to the other side of an equation. Well, 6 divided by 6 is 1, so we just have 1x. We write that just as x. And 60 divided by 6, well, that's 10. So now we have our answer to the question. X equals 10. And in case you've forgotten, we can always go back to the question and make sure that we're correct by seeing if that number satisfies this equation, if it's true. So we can always check our work. In this case, negative 3 plus 6 times 10, what does that equal? Well, that would be negative 3 plus 60. And negative 3 plus 60 would be 57. And is that what the original equation said? It is. So we were correct. Our answer checks out. That's the worst check mark anyone's ever drawn. There we go. I was trying to make it nice in 3D. It didn't look very good. That's better. All right, I hope that helped.